Hello guys, this is Donzia and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to teach you how to open Opay and verify it from tier 1 to the tier 3 maximum account. A full step-by-step tutorial. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to enter my phone number right here and click on register. So an OTP has been sent to my phone number, so I will enter the OTP right now. So I've entered the OTP. As you can see, it's requesting for NIN or BVN. So I will enter my NIN, and after I will enter my NIN. Entering my NIN, we make the account to be on tier 1. If I use my NIN or BVN, any of the two is going to make the account available on tier 1. So let me enter my NIN number. So I will enter the NIN number. So after entering the NIN number, they will tell me to capture my face, so that they want to verify the identity of the person that's actually on the NIN. So let me click on next. So as you can see, it has reached the face verification place. So now I will click on start. As you can see, it has been verified successfully. So now I will enter my address here, so that if I want to verify it to tier 3, I'll be able to use it. So then I'm going to click on next. So then let me just choose stuff right here and click on next. Now it's telling me I should use a password, so I'm just going to enter password right here. So give up interest. Now view account information. So as you can see, I've registered this account successfully and it is on tier 1. So right now I'm going to add my BVN, so that it's going to be on tier 2. So I'll just click on the account tier right here. This is what I'm going to click on. So once I click on it, I'm going to click on upgrade to tier 2. And as you can see, confirm your BVN information. Your BVN information as follows. So I want to use my BVN information to confirm, to upgrade it to tier 2. Okay, as you can see, it's automatically confirm the BVN. I don't even have to enter my BVN. I think Opay has upgraded their app. So before, I have to enter the BVN manually before I can verify to tier 2. But right now, I think everything is automatic based on the number that you use to open your NIN and number that you have on your NIN and BVN. Then I think it's going to be automatically done like this too. So now let's click on OK. So now this is the main part. We are going to upgrade it to tier 3. So now to upgrade it to tier 3, we are going to need a prepaid meter receipt. So you can we can take a screenshot of it so that we can use it to upgrade it to tier 3 also. So let me proceed to tier 3. So as you can see right here, they said we should select our proof of address. So and mostly we use electricity bill. That's what we use mostly. So I'm going to select the electricity bill and I'm going to enter the information. So I'm going to enter the electricity proof of address right here. I'm just going to upload the screenshot of my electricity bill. So it should generate the address automatically. So as you can see, it has generated the address and the meter number. So I'm going to click on next. So as you can see, everything has been generated. I'm just going to select some few information right here. Yes, I'm going to click on next. So as you can see, it is confirming, it's telling me that I should confirm the address, whether this is where I currently live or not. So I'm just going to click on submit because it is actually correct. Now it said your information is under review. Now this usually take 48 to 72 hours. So once it is fully verified, I'm going to show it to you and you will see that this is actually good and working perfectly. So don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you in my next video. Peace out.